Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedarilla. Let's get into your reading for the month of August 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs with the Sun of Leo. And I also saw the card, Lust card, during the reading. So I saw your card, Major Arcana. So now let's get into your reading. So these three cards represent your situation. This side will be your current path. Exactly opposite to that, this will be your alternate path. This represents your psychological basis. This will be your karma. So current part tells you what is where you're going currently. Alternate part tells you what you can alternately do. Psychological basis tells you what is running in the background. Karma tells you what you have to go through. There is no other way around. Also called as destiny. So there are 3 cards in each pile. Overall there are 5 piles. So total of 15 cards. It's called the Golden Knot spread. The cards I'm using is the Thought Tarot by Aleister Crowley. We got center of the spread, Sorrow, 3 of Swords, Prince of Discs, quote card, Wheel of Fortune. See, universe is so brilliant and always wants to support us. So even though there is a negative card exactly in the center of the reading, straight away it is giving opportunities where you can go after to fix this. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Moving on, we got Prince of Wands, quote card, Ace of Swords, the Hermit, Major Arcana, Queen of Wands, quote card, Knight of Swords, quote card, 4 of Swords, Truce, Wealth, 10 of Discs, the Aeon, Major Arcana, 2 of Wands, Dominion, the Magus, Major Arcana, the Tower, Major Arcana. Finally we have Victory, 6 of Wands. So yeah, interesting read, interesting spread. Now we can start with the reading. Hello guys, welcome back. So in the reading we got Prince of Discs, Sorrow and Fortune. I feel like there could be some kind of event that occurred, some kind of drastic event, unexpected drastic event that occurred, and it brought sorrow a little bit, in this situation. It brought sorrow, but I feel like whatever has happened, it happened for good. Okay, later you'll realize that whatever has happened, it happened for good and for your future benefit. Okay, in the next to that we got Prince of Discs, which represents opportunities being presented to you where you can move forward towards the Wheel of Fortune. That's all it is. So Wheel of Fortune represents, going to a place where anything can be fixed, wheels turning towards your favor. Okay, tables flipping off, and positively. Okay, and that's it in the situation. In the current path we got Prince of Wands, Knight of Swords and Dominion. I feel like you might be connecting with few people, you might be you might be connecting with many people, not a lot but many people, especially different zodiac signs. Okay, I am seeing mostly Cancer and any fire sign. Okay, it could be Aries or Sagittarius, but definitely Cancer. Okay, in the Princess of Wands you can see your current path represents you're kind of looking forward for someone to reach out to you. Okay, that is what I'm seeing. I feel like you've already sent a message for them that you are expecting them to reach, or you might send an invitation to them to your home, or to meet, and I feel like you're waiting for them. And I feel like Knight of Swords is you, and I feel like you're inviting them for some kind of place, not exactly your home, but somewhere like a place, and you're going there quicker. Okay, you're like 10 minutes before or 15 minutes before they reach out, and you're moving quick than them. You're there early to that place, and you're bringing few people along with you, like your friends, and to introduce this person with your friends. That is what I'm seeing. And you're kind of waiting, is what I feel. That is your current path. You're just waiting with the Dominion card. You're just waiting for this person to come, and so that you can introduce your friends, talk to them, connect with them. That is the current path. Also share your thoughts, what you have. That's it. That's what you are focused on this month. In the alternate path, we have the Magus Major Arcana, Four of Swords, Truce, and Ace of Swords. And this represents, having the belief that you have to be active in order to do things. At the same time, go with the flow. Okay, everything happens at the right time, so don't try to force a situation. Let things flow. At the same time, be active. Remember that your actions will dictate the future. At the same time, don't try to force anything. It just makes the situation more worse. So just go with the flow, and then suddenly when you do that, your wish will come true. Okay, I feel like there is a big wish that you have, that this month is the month that you will experience it. But I feel like you need to just go with the flow. Okay, at the same time, see what you're doing, okay, with your actions, and try to be active, see where it is going, etc. In the psychological basis, we have the Tower Major Arcana, 10 of Discs, which is wealth, the Hermit Major Arcana. So two major arcanas side by side, focusing on the wealth. And I feel like the Tower energy is same with the Sorrow card exactly in the center of the read. Okay, this is why in the background the Tower energy brought you the sorrow in the situation. So something transformational has happened, but I feel like later you'll realize whatever has happened is for your good. Okay, for your career purpose, or it could be financial purpose, to save some financial issues, to save money, or to make money. But I feel like more of both, a little bit saving and making. Okay, and with the Hermit card, it represents at one point of time you will realize whatever has happened is happening for the good. And this is the background energy, whatever I said in the situation, right? It is just the energy what is running in the background, but only one indication that it could give additionally to the situation is that regarding wealth. Okay, so some saving of money or making money could be significant, but very positive energy. There is no such thing as losing money like that. It has just made the situation much better, but it all based on perception and perseverance. Okay, how you perceive things. Later you'll realize, I feel. In the Karma, we got Queen of Wands, court card, the Aeon Major Arcana, and Victory, 6 of Wands. You can see your karma is to win, okay, to achieve the victory. That is the karma, your ultimate karma, exactly on the end of the read. So no matter what happens, it's happening for the good only. You're destined to receive victory in life, and a good position, good recognition. And you can see in the Rider-Waite, it's amazing how it's represented. He'll be riding a horse. There'll be many people surrounded by him, giving applause to him, and there will be other people will be also holding wands at the same time, thinking, how can I become like him? Okay, there could be some ego or jealousy there with other people who see you, but at the same time, you're like an inspiration for everyone, okay, in some other way, in a good, positive way. And you're shining the light brightly, and everyone sees you exactly the same way, but the way they reflect on themselves, it could be little different for other people, but at the same time, you're a good inspiration. Okay, that's what I could say. And Queen of Wands represents that, you are destined to get into this position, also help other people, as I said with the Six of Wands energy. Some other zodiac sign also got this. Okay, so I think it is Gemini, I think it is Cancer who got this. So I feel like you will be helping Cancer people, get inspired. That could be significant, but definitely some person has got this. We got the Aeon, Major Arcana. I feel like whoever you inspire, you will learn definitely a lot from them as well. Okay, that is for sure. Whoever you inspire, they're gonna definitely help you raise even more in society, gain even better recognition, authority, like that, definitely. And with the Aeon card, everything happens at the right time, That's it. Everything will happen at the right time. Everything will happen at divine timing. Okay, especially with the Wheel of Fortune also, everything. So you will achieve the victory overall at the end of the month. Okay, so whatever happened, whatever took place that made you feel little sorrow, definitely there'll be an opportunity to fix that. And whatever is happening, it's happened for the good only. So yeah, that's all I have for you, Leo. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video, to get updated with my videos. And also feel free to check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. Even Cancer reading could be significant, so check out for that. And if you'd like to get a personal reading, you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot, astrological, life coaching and daily readings. All the price ranges are mentioned respectively, including my contact number and social media links. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching. Thank you.